explain vaccine. This is in the chapter Microorganisms of class 8, vaccine. What do we mean by vaccine? Vaccine is a kind of solution or a medicine which is introduced in our body. Maybe in the form of drops, liquid drops, maybe in the form of tablets, maybe in the form of an injection. What do they consist? What do they consist? They consist germs, dead and weak germs of the same disease against which we are taking vaccines. And the introduction or introducing vaccine in our body is what called? That is known as vaccination. This is what is called vaccination. And these vaccinations are always given against viruses. Viral diseases, there is not any medicines which can cure viral diseases except vaccines. And these vaccines are given before the disease occurs. You must have seen, last year or before some years, all students of the schools and we all have got one vaccine, that was hepatitis B vaccine. Though we were not suffering from hepatitis B, but it was given to everyone. And the doctors were suggesting that everyone should take this vaccine of hepatitis B. Why? To prevent ourselves from that disease. How does it work? ये कैसे काम करता है? In our blood, two things are found in our blood. They are what? Antibody and antigen. And what? Antigen. This antigen is the foreign body. What it does? It stimulates antibodies. And this is what? This is the immune system of our body. This is a kind of protein. It is the immune system of our body. What it does? It prevents us from antigen. They are the soldiers of your body. Which prevents you from antigen. Antigen is the foreign body. What it does? It stimulates antibody. इनकी एंट्री जैसे ही ब्लड में होती है, इम्यून सिस्टम इन्हें रिकॉग्नाइज कर लेता है. इम्यून सिस्टम यानी आपका एंटीबॉडी इसे रिकॉग्नाइज करता है और ये इसे स्टिमुलेट कर देता है प्रोटीन प्रोड्यूस करने के लिए. द प्रोटीन अगेंस्ट दैट एंटीजन. If this antibody is strong, antigen will get over. And if this antigen is stronger than your immune system, then obviously your immune system will rupture and you will be infected. Is clear to you all? So for different types of disease, different types of protein is produced against the disease. It depends upon the types of disease. ऐसा नहीं है कि एक बार एक प्रोटीन जो डेवलप हो गया किसी डिजीज के अगेंस्ट तो वो हर डिजीज में आपके साथ काम आएगा. नो, इट इज नॉट लाइक दैट. Different types of protein or immune system, in your immune system, different types of proteins are produced to fight against the different types of disease causing antigens. So in that case, what happened? These antibodies and these antigens they fight against each other. Whosoever is stronger, they get or they won. In case of vaccination, what is given? This vaccination is introduced in our body. So how amazing this is, कि हम अगर रैबीज से सफ़र कर रहे हैं और हमें रैबीज को ही डाल दिया जाए, उस रैबीज के जर्म्स को ही हमारे शरीर में डाल दिया जाए, तो ऑब्वियसली ये तो और ज़्यादा फैटल हो जाएगा. लेकिन ऐसा नहीं होता है. क्यों? क्योंकि जब हमारे शरीर में when we are given this vaccine consists dead and weak germs. ये किस टाइप के जर्म्स अपने अंदर रखते हैं? ये डेड एंड वीक जर्म्स होते हैं, बिल्कुल वीक और डेड. द मोमेंट दे आर इंट्रोड्यूस्ड इन आवर बॉडी, ये जैसे ही हमारे शरीर में डाला जाता है, देन हमारे ब्लड में जो एंटीबॉडी प्रेजेंट है वो इसे रिकॉग्नाइज करता है, वो इसे आइडेंटिफाई करता है, एंड देन एंड देयर स्टार्ट प्रोड्यूसिंग protein start producing Y-shaped protein. You know, Y-shape का एक प्रोटीन होता है जो इसे प्रोड्यूस करना शुरू करता है. ये प्रोडक्शन के बाद when this protein is produced, they start fighting against this dead and weak germs. ये किससे लड़ना शुरू कर देते हैं? Dead and weak germs से. So this is obvious, no? If your soldiers are like your antibodies. Who are the soldiers? Antibodies. If your soldiers are strong, obviously this dead and weak germs will be killed. This dead and weak germs will be killed if your soldiers are strong. And already we know that vaccines are made up of dead and weak germs. वैक्सीन डेड एंड वीक जर्म्स के ही बने हुए हैं. तो वो जैसे ही आपके शरीर में आते हैं, ये सोल्जर्स जो आपके एंटीबॉडीज जो हैं वो प्रोटीन प्रोड्यूस करके इन्हें खत्म करना शुरू कर देते हैं. एंड देन व्हाट हैपन, दीज प्रोटीन्स और यू कैन से दिस इम्यून सिस्टम, दिस एंटीबॉडीज रिमेन इन योर ब्लड फॉर लॉन्गर पीरियड ऑफ टाइम, मे बी होल लाइफ. There are some vaccinations which are taken once in life and it remains working whole life. जैसे ही हमारा जन्म होता है, within a week we take DPT, BCG, such kind of vaccinations, and then we never repeat. It means what? Once these antibodies are developed in your blood, it remains active for longer period of time. इसका मतलब है कि एक बार वो एक्टिव हो गए तो अगर फिर से वो जर्म्स आपके ब्लड में आता है तो वो उसे किल कर देंगे. एंड देन यू आर प्रोटेक्टेड. एंड दीज डेज वी आर सफरिंग फ्रॉम अ ग्रेट डिजीज which are already everywhere, already spreaded, COVID-19, and you all are knowing that we all, the whole world, trying to get the vaccine against this COVID-19. And I hope we are going to get the vaccine of this COVID-19 also soon. So this was the explanation of vaccine and vaccination. Thank you all of you.